Moreni Bafundi, here lecture 4 on the body, and again we're continuing the exercise on parts of the body. And so far we've looked at the part of the body itself, identified the various nouns, and we've seen that they are grouped according to the prefix which they share. And we've looked at how to state that you have pain in that particular part of the body or on that part of the body. Secondly, that you are troubled by that part of the body. And now we are going to state that that particular part of the body is either sore, swollen, throbbing, sprained, or broken. And we are basically going to link the part of the body and say that that part of the body is, and we're going to look at what it is for that particular part of the body. So where you see the dots, we are going to put in a link, and that link will be translated by means of it, singular, and they, plural. Right, so let's see how we go. Amalungu, the joints, are buhlungu. So, buhlungu. Amalungu, buhlungu. Amazinyo, yaqaqamba. Amagxa, the shoulders, buhlungu. Amadolo, the knees, dumbile, are swollen. Amaqatha, the ankles, dumbile, are also swollen. Amehlo, the eyes, buhlungu, are sore. And then the following group of words, all beginning with umzimba, umqolo, umlomo, umqala, umnwe, umlenze, and we're going to link them up to these adjectives. Umzimba, buhlungu. Umqolo, buhlungu, it is painful. Umlomo, dumbile, it is swollen. Umqala, the throat, buhlungu, is sore. Umnwe, the finger, dumbile, is swollen. Here, something slightly different, with the leg, umlenze, being phukile. And here we will have umlenze phukile, simply because in isiXhosa you can never have two different vowels next to each other, so we can't have phukile. Then we look at the four in words, intloko, indlebe, intamo, ingalo, and state that they are either sore or broken. So, intloko, buhlungu. Indlebe, buhlungu. Intamo, buhlungu. My neck is sore. Ingalo, and here we can't have the two vowels, so we have to change things slightly and say ingalo, phukile. And then 1, 2, 3 imi words, iminwe, imilenze, imiphunga. My fingers are swollen. Iminwe, dumbile. Imilenze, we can't have so we have phukile, my legs are broken. Imiphunga here is the only time we have used this ya tsvina to wheeze. My lungs, tsuina, they are wheezing. Then the group of words beginning with ili or I, and here you will see that this li, which we have used there, plays a prominent part. So ili so, the I, li buhlungu, izinyo, the tooth, li ya qaqamba, ilixa, the shoulder, li buhlungu is sore, idolo, the knee, li dumbile is swollen, iqatha, the ankle, li khunekile is sprained. Ithambo, here we cannot have li o, and you would have the two vowels again. So the bone lo phukile is broken. Just use the L there. The group of words beginning with isi, isihlahla, isandla, isifuba, isisu, and so on. Isihlahla, the wrist. Si khunekile is sprained. Isandla. Si dumbile is swollen. Isifuba, the chest. Si buhlungu is painful or sore. Isisu, the stomach. Si ya luma, the only time we've used luma because the stomach is cramping or literally biting. Isihlunu, okay, here we've also used a different appropriate adjective. Si khazukile is torn, so you have a torn muscle. With the next group of words beginning with izi or the double I, remember we said that between the double I's you must pretend that there is a Z, and you can actually see the Z, the prominent part it plays here. So the wrists, my wrists are sore. Izihlahla, zi buhlungu are sore. Izandla, the hands, zi dumbile are swollen. Izihlunu, the muscles, zi buhlungu are sore. Indlebe, the ears, zi buhlungu are also sore. Ingalo, the arms, and here we cannot have zi o, so we just have a z. Zophukile, broken. Inyawo, zi dumbile are swollen. Inzwane, the toes, zi buhlungu. Imbambo, the ribs, we cannot have zi o, and we just use the z. Zophukile are broken. And then the last three, unyawo, elunyaweni, the foot, on the foot, troubled by the foot. And what are we going to use here if the foot is swollen is lu dumbile. The toe is broken, uzwane, lu buhlungu. And ulusu, the skin is hot, running at temperature, lu shushu, and we cannot use anything with ukuputelwa. So here again we now completed the exercise on the parts of the body, having stated identified the part of the body itself, stated you have a problem in or on that particular part of the body, You are troubled by that part of the body, and that part of the body is, or plural, are. And we've used a variety of adjectives. So that concludes this little lecture then. Enkosi kakhulu bafundi. Sobonana. Enkosi.